Good morning, students. Welcome to the statistics class. In the previous video, I had explained to you regarding discrete frequency distribution and how to form a discrete frequency distribution. So in this video, I am going to explain to you how to form a continuous frequency distribution. Remember, students, continuous frequency distributions are of two types. One is, there are various types, not two types, various types: exclusive, inclusive, and open end. Okay, so we need to understand that, and we need to form, whenever they ask to form a frequency distribution, continuous frequency distribution, right? If nothing is mentioned in the question, whether we should use inclusive, open end, or exclusive, if nothing is mentioned as such, we always have to consider exclusive. We have to prefer exclusive type of class intervals. But in the question, if they mention it, prepare it inclusive, or prepare open end, or prepare exclusive, according to the question itself, we need to prepare a frequency distribution. I hope you are following what I am saying to you, students. Okay. Now, the question or the data that is seen on the screen right now is something which is very interesting one. You can just see this. Following are the marks obtained by the students in a certain test. Marks, that means the variable here is marks for us. Prepare a frequency distribution with an interval of 10 marks. Interval of 10 marks has been mentioned here. Interval of 10 marks. And using inclusive, one more word is inclusive has been mentioned. Clear, students? And they have given us the data. Okay, so now how to form this is what we need to do it. Okay, so let's start this, students. As usual, we need to find out what is the maximum value, students. What is the maximum value in the whole of data? The maximum value in the first row, if you see here, it is 54, 54, 54. Here it comes, it is 69, 69, 69. Yes, maximum value is 69. And what is the minimum value that we have it here, students? Minimum value. Minimum value in the data that we have it here is, here we have 12, 12, 12, 12. Okay, 12 itself. Now, the minimum value is 12 and the maximum value is 69. Now, looking at this, students, we need to form a frequency distribution. Now, we need to form a frequency distribution according to the rules, the principles that they have given to us. The principles in forming a continuous frequency distribution says that the lower limit of the first class should be either 0 or multiples of 5. Should be either 0 or multiples of 5. The lower limit of the first class, okay. Now, what should be the first class? The first class, if you see, the least value itself is 12 here, students. So, if I put a question to you here, the least value is 12, which is the nearest multiple of 5 to this, nearest multiple of 5 to this 12. The nearest multiple of 5 to this 12 is 10, students. Is it right? 10. So that means our class interval, the lower limit of the first class interval is 10, students. Okay. So this is what it is. I'll write this to be as CI. What is CI? Class interval. This is all about marks, variables for us. This is marks. Okay. This is a variable. So it is expressed in 10 to inclusive. Class size should be 10, they said. Class size should be 10. Inclusive 10, 11, 12, 13 till 19, students. The first class is 10 to 19. The second class is 20 to 29. The third class is 30 to 39. The fourth class is 40 to 49. And the fifth class is 50 to 59. And the sixth class is 60 to 69. Should we go for the next one, 70 to 79? No need. The reason is the last value is 69 here. The maximum value is 69. So we'll end up with 69. Okay. So right. The next column would be for us is tally bar, students. Tally bar. Okay. This is important. The next one is So how many students? The number of students in between those marks, number of students. So for us, number of students, in other words, I will term this to be as the frequencies. This is what is important. Okay, so let's start with the first value, 37. 37 comes where it is between 30 to 39. I'll put a tally, students, and I'll mark it. The next comes 49, where it comes between 40 and 49. I'll write and I'll mark it as red. Next comes 54. Okay, mark it as red. 51, mark it as red. 37, mark it as red. 15, mark it as red. 12, mark it as red. 33, mark it as red. 23, mark it as red. 25, mark it as red. 18, mark it as red. 35, mark it as red. 33, students, 33 is, I'll just put a cross here, you understand? Mark it as red. Then 42, mark it as red. 45, mark it as red. 65, okay, put a tally. 65. 47, mark it as red. 45, mark it as red. 27, mark it as red. 35, mark it as red. 29, mark it as red. 59, mark it as red. 46, mark it as red. 37, mark it as red. 18, mark it as red. 29, mark it as red. 46, mark it as red. 63, mark it as red. 69, mark it as red. And 55, mark it as red. Okay, so let's count the number of tallies. For 10 to 19, 1, 2, 3, it is 4. Okay, the next is 5. The next is 7. The next is again 7. Next is 4. The next is 3, students. So how many observations we have? 15. This is all 15, one row, second row 15, altogether 30. Let's see whether we'll get 30 or not. I see the tally. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 7 is 16, plus 7 is 23, plus 4 is 27, plus 3 is 30. So this is what we call it as n, or we call this to be as summation f. This is what we are supposed to do, students. So for us, again I say, these values are important, not the total, students. The total is only just to verify whether we have read all the observations or no. Okay, but for us, these frequencies, that is 4, 5, 7, 7, 4, 3, they should tally with the data, the number of times the values are repeated. This is important, students. So I hope you have followed this problem, students. Okay, so let me take another problem, students, for you. Another problem, okay, for you in the we have so many varieties of problems in the question, right? So what we can do is we can take another problem in the next class. I will take and I will teach you regarding that, students. Okay, so right now you can just practice these problems. In the next class or in the next video, I will show you how to form an open-end class interval, students. Okay, thank you very much.